Hi everyone, I am Jagadambal, Assistant Professor, Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science, Coimbatore. I am going to present about the types of groups. First we discuss about the what is meant by group. Group is a formed when two or more people interact deliberately to reach the common consensus. According to the Stephen Robbins, a group may be defined as two or more individuals interacting and independent who have come together to achieve particular objectives. Features of group. Features of group, they are classified into four features. First one is two or more persons. There should be a minimum two persons to form a group because a single person cannot interact. However, them is to definitely limit the maximum number of people in a group, but the group size may be determined by the rules and regulations of the organization in the contest. Second one is features collective identity. Group members should be aware of their group membership. Each group member must know that he is a member of a specific group and hence should act an active participant. Third one is interaction. Unlike individuals, group members interact among themselves. Interacting means that each member share his ideas with other members, and the sharing of thoughts can take place in person, in writing, over the telephone, through internet or any other means of communication between group members. Fourth one is shared goal interest. Group members must support the achievement of shared goals. However, it is not necessary that each member support or agree with the overall objectives of the group. Next one is types of group. The groups is classified into five categories. First one is primary and secondary groups, in groups and out groups. Third, formal and informal groups. Fourth one is membership group and reference group. Fifth one is interest and friendship groups. Sixth one is temporary and permanent groups. And last one is nominal and non-performing groups. First one is types of groups. Primary and secondary groups. Primary groups characterized by close face-to-face association collaborative among the members. Secondary groups are marketed by the large size identification of the individual though inherent values and beliefs rather than the interactions. Second one is membership groups and reference group. Membership groups examples clubs, cooperatives, workers unions, etc. Reference groups those with which an individual identifies or to which the likes to being, example friends, family, etc. In groups and out groups. In groups correspondent to a group people who hold the existing values in a society or at most occupy the central place in social functioning. Out groups is or masses which are considered as a secondary or insignificant in the culture. Example, street performance for an office worker. The next one is interest and friendship groups. Interest and friendship groups. Interest groups consist of people who unite to achieve specific objectives. Friendship groups consist who have some common characteristics. People belong to a particular region or holding a particular point of view. Formal and informal groups. When a group are formed by the organized themselves to achieve some particular set of goals or an complete certain task, these groups are called as formal groups. Informal groups are which are formed as an response to need for a social contact. Then next one is types of groups included that the temporary and permanent groups. Temporary and permanent groups. Such groups are formed for fulfilling definite goals. They have a very small lifespan, the case to exist after attaining the desired objectives. Permanent groups consist of group activities, group performance, job assignment, etc. Nominal and non-performing groups. Nominal groups are given problem to solve. Group members exchange their ideas in a planned manner. Non-performing groups exist only on paper. They are formal and developed without performance. They have some goals but they not make effort to attain that. Thank you.